Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional note of today's newspaper on Wednesday, May the 10th, 2023. Told you earlier, there's no extra puzzles, no additional. In today's newspaper, no, it's the additional of the edition of May the 9th. Tuesday, May the 9th. The newspaper of yesterday, yes. And I've three puzzles left. We have the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 0 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. Yeah. Let me start with the first one. The letter Sudoku. Zoom. Yeah, okay. Well, having problems with this site. Alright. Alright. The letter Sudoku. Number. This will be number 6414. Oh, no, come on. My tripod is not working. Alright. 6414. And before I start, I always count 6414. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27, not digits, but letters. And the letters I can use are unique letters. The E, the Z, the L, the N, the U, the T, the B, the I, and the A. Yeah. Well. Come on, tripod. Yeah. And the goal is to solve this word in this row. It's a Dutch word. If I solve this, I will translate this in English. Alright. For a letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Oh, tripod. You are. Alright. Let me hold the tripod. Okay. 15 to 20 minutes. And yeah, so let's get started. We have Z in this column, Z in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the Z should be there. Z, E. U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the Z. We have a Z in this row, middle row, no Z in these two boxes. Here, Z in this column, no Z in those two boxes. So one box left for Z in this big square should be there. Z, alright, Z in the last row, Z in the row above. So that row, the only two places left for the Z should be here or there. We have a Z in the first column, no Z there, Z should be there. Z in this column, Z in the middle column, in the second column. So the third column, the only three places left for the Z should be here or there. We have a Z in this row, no Z there, here Z in the middle row, no Z there. So the only place left for the Z should be there. Z in this column, Z in the column next. So last column, the only 3 places left for the Z should be here, here, or there. We have a Z in this row, no Z there. Here, Z in the third row, no Z there. So the only place left for the Z should be there. And all the Z's are used. I can see here. Letter number 1, letter Z. TT, okay. I. Here should be the I, okay. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the I. We have I in the second row, so no I in these 2 boxes. So the I in this big square could be here, could be there. I in one of those 2 boxes here in the third row, I in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for I should be here or there. You see an I in the last column, no I there. I should be there. Alright. I. T in the last row, T in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the T should be there. Okay. Alright. T in this row, T in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the T should be here or there. We see a T in the first column, no T there. T should be there. T in this column, T in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the T should be there. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a T in this big square. We have a T in the second row, so no T in these 2 boxes. So the T in this big square goes together with the I as a pair. T and I, T and I. We have a T in the middle column, so no T there. T should be there. And I goes there. Alright. T in the first column, T in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the T should be here or there. You see a T in the third row, no T there, T should be there. And all the T's are used, I can see. Letter number 2, letter T. Alright. The U in this row, the U in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the U should be there. I know the word. Wow. You, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the U. We have a U in the first column, no U in these 2 boxes. Here, U in the first row, so no U in those 2 boxes. So the U could be here, could be there. U in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. U in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the U should be there. U. Okay. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the L. We have an L in the third row, so no L in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the L should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the N is missing and the A is missing. N and A, N and A. We have an N in the last column, no N there. N should be there and A goes there. A and the E are missing here. 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters E is missing. And the N is missing. E and N. We have an N in this column, no N there. N should be here. And E goes there. So 2 missing letters in this row. For the letters U and the E is missing. Yeah, E in first row, E in second row, third row. Only 2 places left for the E. Could be here, could be there. And 1 letter is missing in this row. Second row for the letters. For the letter L is missing here. L in the first row, L in the third row. Row between second row. Only place left for the L should be there. So 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters A is missing the A. And N is missing. A and N. N. So 2 missing letters in the in this row. For letters A is missing and the E is missing. A and E, A and E. We have a E in this column. No E there. E should be here and the A goes there. So the word in 11 minutes uitblazen. In English, blow out. Blow out. Yeah. All right, let me continue. B. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the B. We have a B in this column, so no B there. So the B could be here, could be there. B in this row, B in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the B should be here or there. We see a B in this column. Second column, so no B there. B should be there. I need an E there. A should be here. Yeah. 6 missing letters in this row. One of the missing letters, the A. We have A in this big square, so no A in these 3 boxes. So the A could be here, here, or there. Here, here, or there. We see another A in this column, no A there. Here an A in that column, so no A there. So the only place left for the A in this row should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters I is missing and E is missing. I and the E. I and the E. We have an I in this row. No I there. I should be here. And the E goes there. 1 letter is missing in this column. For letter B. 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 Okay. B. B. E and N. E and N is missing. 2 missing letters in this column. For letters E is missing and N is missing. E and N. 2 missing letters here. For letters L is missing and A is missing. L and A. L and A. Well, LA. LA. BLA. Well, we have here BLA in this big square, but in this column we already have an L and an A in this column. So the L and A cannot be in this box. The L and A goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. L and A, so this box should be the B. So we have a B in this column, last column, B in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the B. Could be here, could be there. L and A, well, we have an A here in this column, so no A there. A should be here. And L goes there. L in this column, L in that column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the L should be here or there. We see an L in this row, no L there. L should be here. L in this row, L in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the L should be there. 2 missing letters in this column. For letters, A is missing. Yeah, the A. We have an A in this row. No A there. A. Oh, we already have an A here. Almost made a mistake. A. Well, then the I. We need an I here. Yeah. I in this last column. I in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the I. Could be here. Could be there. 1 box left in this column for letter. I believe the N is missing here. The N in this column and in the last column. So the column between. The only place left for the N should be there. E and N. We have an N in this row. No N there. N should be there. And E goes there. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. I is missing. And I and U is missing. I and the U. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters U. And E is missing. U and a E. We have an E in this row. No E there. E should be here. And the U goes there. I and the U. We have a U in this row. No U there. U should be there. And I goes there. I and B, we have I in this row, no I there. I should be there. And the B goes there. Alright. 1 letter is missing in this row for the letter L. Yeah, L is missing here. E and N. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. A is missing and E is missing. A and E. A and the E. A and the E. Alright. Let me see. How about the letter B in this column? B in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the B should be here or there. We see a B in this row. No B there. B should be there. 2 missing letters in this row for letters. A is missing and the E is missing. A and E. Oh, yeah. So here we have a pair. So the other pair should be not the U and the E. Because the E, A and the E, we already have here the A and E. So this cannot be E anymore. This should be the U then. And that box should be an E then. Now we have an E here, so this box can be E anymore. This box should be an A then. And that box should be an E then. A and E, we have an E in this column. No E there. E should be there. And A should be there. Alright. A and N, oh no. A and N, yeah. We have an A in this column. No A there. A should be here. And N goes there. So we have an N in this column and in that column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the N should be there. So final 2 letters in this big square for letters. U is missing and I is missing. U and I. We have a U in the first column, no U there. U should be here and I goes there. So finish in 19 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this puzzle. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, blowout. Thank you for watching. I will see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Sudoku with 0 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.